Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip. What are some of the things that you do pre-talk that sets you up for the talk?
So it actually begins right from the briefing call. Usually, if it's like a corporate lecture या corporate talk हो गया अभी the recent corporate talk that I did was at Aditya Birla. तो वहाँ का जो audience था मेरा वो and that was I mentioned that because it was a very interesting experience for me. It sticks out from the other experiences because the audience was made up of about 70 to 80 men who had about 15 to 25 years of work experience. So, and there was this me there, much in. अब देखने जाओ तो I've just started working a while ago and they've had like 15-20 years of experience and they're set in their own ways, right? So at the briefing call with the HR, I tried to get into the head of my audience. Who is sitting in front of me, right? What are the demographics? पहले तो gender split क्या है? How many females, how many males? How many years of experience have they had? पैन इंडिया से है किसी एक शहर से है व्हाट लैंग्वेज डू दे स्पीक उनका नेटिव लैंग्वेज क्या है व्हाट आर द डिपार्टमेंट्स दैट दे वर्क इन व्हाट इज़ देयर डेली वर्क रूटीन लुकिंग लाइक मोटा मोटा व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ challenges or objections do they express on an everyday basis क्या अगर वो ऑफिस में आ रहे हैं तो किन चीज़ों पे झगड़े होते हैं किन चीज़ों के बारे में वो कंप्लेन करते हैं राइट सो द मेन अंडरलाइंग आइडिया बीइंग कि मुझे पेन पॉइंट समझना है आपका अगर आप मेरे ऑडियंस तो मुझे आपका पेन पॉइंट समझना है कि ऐसा क्या प्रॉब्लम है जो मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दे सकती हूँ दैट इज़ माई मेन स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट विथ नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दैट देन आई ऑल्सो डिसाइड ओके ये आप ऑडियंस को समझ गए सेकेंड स्टेप फॉर मी इज़ अब मेरे पास जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन नॉलेज है एक्सपीरियंस है जो भी है आई देन सिलेक्ट अ डिग्री सो व्हाट आई एम गोना टॉक टू or tell the information that I'm going to give a bunch of 18-year-olds is going to be very, very, very different from what I'm going to give to 35 or 50-year-olds, right? So I decide my degree of information कि कितना किस level का information देना है इनके लिए क्या useful
And
है.
also the way you deliver, that also changes?
That comes next. That comes next. So the second is the content. So first is understanding your audience. Second is picking the information that you're going to give them. Third is the delivery. So if I'm speaking to somebody who's younger than me, ठीक है, if I'm speaking to somebody who's much younger than me, my tone of delivery is going to be a little different. Versus if I'm speaking to somebody who's much more experienced, my tone will of course modify or change. Because again, at the end of the day, I want my audience to be receptive to what I'm saying.
Correct.
Right? So I've had podcasts with people or hosts who are much younger than me. वहाँ पे my energy is usually, higher. Now I know you, I saw you, I met you, I kind of understood, okay, you and I are the same vibe. So now this is my natural like energy levels. So, and the room is quieter, it's, smaller. So I don't need to be too loud. Also read the room, like size of the room. Because उसके बेसिस पर अगर आपकी audience 50 लोगों की है तो you're going to be much bigger. Your body language is going to be much bigger. Your energy is going to be much bigger. Your, expressions and everything is, you're going to be louder in general.
Correct,
verbally, non-verbally. Versus if your audience is like, let's say 5 people. So naturally, this is a good energy level or tone to deliver in. Is my tone formal? Is my tone informal? Is my tone conversational? What is it? So, वो डिसाइड होगा कि मेरा ऑडियंस कौन है वो क्या करती है एंड हाउ कैन आई मेक माई कॉन्टेंट एंड माई टॉक एज impactful as I can on this person. So it is about the audience. You are non-existent as a speaker.
So one is that you essentially first decide the demography of the audience you're catering to.
Demography and the psychology.
Demography
Just
and psychology.
Rough idea of what they're like.
Right. Second would be understanding the age group. So if they are younger to you, you would essentially be at a more authoritative tone, I'm assuming, or?
Depends. Again, that also depends on who your audience is. Maybe you get an idea.
Sorry, second was the information that you're sharing.
Degree of information.
The degree of information you're sharing. Younger के लिए you will obviously filter out a lot of things. For senior people, you would understand what they would want to listen to.
Yes.
Third is how you deliver.
Yes.
The tone and the style of delivery, tone
Yes.
of delivery, body language.
Yes.
And fourth, you mentioned
No, fourth we're gonna.
read the room. You mentioned like
Yes, fourth is
in general.
basically reading the room or tweaking based on the size of the room. And when I say size of the room, I mean size of the audience. कि कितना बड़ा रूम है, कितने लोग हैं उस ऑडियंस
मान लो
में.
50 लोग हैं तो 50 लोगों में वर्सेस 500 लोगों में ऑब्वियसली
Big difference.
50 और 500 को नहीं कंसिडर करते देन आई वांट जहाँ पे दिखे कॉन्ट्रास्ट राइट 50 और 200 ठीक है 50 और से 150 let's go 150
Okay.
so 50 people very close knit group of people who are really interested in listening to what you have to offer versus 150 people who are there उसमें से 50 लोग are serious listeners what's the difference like
The interesting thing is अगर आप 50 लोगों से बात कर रहे हो वर्सेस आप 150 लोगों से बात कर रहे हो 50 versus 150 you still talk to the group like you're talking to one person. Doesn't matter the size of the group. आप अपना जो the adjustment that we're talking about कि आप you know adjust based on the size of the room, what I mean by that is the volume and your body language. So here if I'm talking like this doesn't make sense, it's a very small space. मैं यहाँ पे अगर मैं ऐसे भी बात करूँ तो चलेगा, लेकिन if there were like you know maybe 20 people sitting here, तो then I would use it.
why
Because it's a visual and an energetical thing.
like you did visual and an
Right.
energetical thing
You feel like I'm more energetic, I'm louder right now.
so
Versus
words
if I just
versus
talk
hand movements so when
Yes.
you say visual
Words, volume.
okay
So it's basically volume, your throw, how much you're throwing the words. Like I'm throwing my words more right
Correct.
now. ठीक है? So it's your volume, the throw in your delivery, and the third is your body language. So body language में your hands, how much you're covering the stage, आप कितना move कर रहे हो. ये सारे these are all like very minute combination, very nuanced things जो repetition से आती है. And you know
Right.
there has to be a little bit of intuition. Like there is no set rules to like public speaking,
course, of
right?
course,
and
of
you've been
course.
speaking for a long time.
I've
You
been-
know it,
I've been
right?
doing it, yeah.
You must have yourself made a set of things that you
Work
think
for you.
work for you,
हाँ,
and आपकी अलग समझ. अगर यहाँ पे मैं podcast host होती, you would have a completely different set of tools and techniques that have worked for you.
तो पूछ लो आप
हाँ, बताओ. What has been
नहीं
your...
you complete first and then I'll go
So this is what you know the volume, the throw, and the body language. ठीक है, लेकिन having said these 2-3 things, still if you're speaking to a group, you speak to them like you're speaking to one person. Because if you are sitting on the other, if you're standing and speaking from this end of the stage, ठीक है, आपके सामने 50 लोग बैठे हैं, अगर आप ये सोचने लग गए कि मेरे सामने 50 लोग बैठे, like there's a crowd of people, you're gonna get intimidated. Very natural. If I am this one single human being and मेरे सामने इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं, तो I'm naturally gonna get intimidated. No, it's gonna be like me against oh my god these many people, right? लेकिन you have to remember कि मुझे वो as a collective crowd दिख रहा है, लेकिन वो crowd अपने आप को crowd नहीं समझती है, वहाँ पे वो individuals बैठे हैं. Just think about yourself when you're attending a speech or a webinar or a talk or a lecture. आप ऐसे सोचोगे कि no, we are one. You don't think that. You're sitting there as an individual, right? Trying to see कि मुझे इससे क्या मिल सकता है. That's it. So it's very important for the speaker to also be mindful and just remember that कि they're not ganging up against me. They're here because they need something that I have to give them. Like they need solutions, and this is my job here. I don't exist. I have to see what they need from me and deliver that.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.